Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good, and I'm Ritu. For those of you who do not know me, I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion hauls. So if you haven't joined the beauty squad yet, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and join the beauty squad. And in today's video guys, because we are doing this series, I am going to be showing you some fashion buys that I've gotten from Amazon. Amazon Freedom Sale is live right now. You must go and check it out for amazing offers. So all of these fashion buys that I have today is going to give you a little bit of idea what you can give to your sisters and sisters to their sisters and brothers to their sisters. So yes, without further ado guys, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, the first one has to be these beautiful pair of sunglasses. And sunglasses makes a perfect gift, and even if you want to buy these for yourselves guys, this is gonna look so classy and so awesome. I love these huge sunglasses. They add so much dimension to your face and it just makes me feel very confident and very beautiful. Also, these have this UV coating, so it is gonna protect your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays. The best part about these one is guys, it is also gonna protect the area around your eyes from the harmful sun rays. So yes, and these ones are very affordable. I got this for like 600 to 700 rupees from Amazon. So yes, please just go and check them out if you are thinking to gift sunglasses to your loved ones or even to yourself. So yes, this is the first buy I have here. So guys, next up I have a beautiful handbag here, and we all know that these tiny bags are so much in fashion. I love these, and this is such a beautiful pastel and subtle color. I got this one just for 500 rupees. It is gonna make such a perfect gift, and guys, I am gonna style it in various ways. I believe there were more colors available in this one. It has this very beautiful finish to it, which I absolutely love guys. You do not have to worry about the quality at all. And in this one you can carry around your phone, your cash and card. It doesn't have like much of space guys, but these are trending, so yes, this is what I have, and I would love to like carry it around like this, but if you want, we also have this beautiful chain. So these are the bags which I'm showing you these days is from Haute. You can definitely go and check their collection out. They have beautiful handbags guys. Next up we are going to be moving on to having footwears. Now what can be a better gift than gifting a girl shoes? I have these beautiful pungent suede footwears here, which are in this orangish kind of a shade. It is a very bright shade. I got myself in the size 40. So again, very affordable guys. For this quality, you are getting it for 500 to 600 rupees. Believe me, it is going to be a steal for you. So yes, this is the next pair of the footwears I have here. I am in love with these. Even if I get more colors in this one, I am definitely gonna fetch them, because the feel of these are like very soft and smooth. They look very comfortable, and it comes up with this like 2 to 3 centimeters of heels. So it is gonna be a bag again guys, and this one is so pretty guys. I love this orange bag. It is kind of a faded orange. Also, it has this beautiful tie detailing on the top, which I loved, and these bags are very affordable guys. Bags from this brand that I'm showing you called Haute guys. First of all, they are very affordable, and secondly, they are really trendy. The quality is something to die for. So yes, I picked up these, and this is the largest bag that I have in 2 of these Amazon haul that I showed you. So yes, I absolutely love these, and this get tied, like I will just tie it up. So yes, if you want, you can carry it around like this, or if you want, it also comes up with the strap, so you can attach it and you can carry it around. I believe it is a stunning piece to go for. So yes, this is the next fashion buy I have here. Gonna make a perfect gift. It's very affordable and gonna be perfect for this Rakshabandhan if you want to buy it for yourself as well. Next up guys is gonna be sunglasses again. I am obsessing over sunglasses these days, so I've bought like a lot of them. And this one is such a pretty pair of sunglasses. I don't know if you're gonna like them, but yes, I know that I have a very tiny face, but these oversized glasses are like so much in fashion. I love the color guys. Why not go, because I am someone who believes why not go for something like just overboard. So yes, you're gonna get wide variety of colors in this one, again from Haute. I love this brand. They have amazing fashion sunglasses, they have shoes, bags and all of those things, and they're affordable. So yes, this is the next purchase I made, and I'm gonna style it with maybe a black dress and they're gonna look stunning. So yes, I got this for like 400 to 500 rupees. Not able to recall the price. For that you will have to check out the link in the description box below. So with that, we have come to the end of the video, guys. Do not think that I do not have any apparel today. So I have this very beautiful skirt, and since a long time I was looking for a skirt which was like thigh slit because they look amazing, and black is something that you can wear with anything and everything. So I got this one from Amazon and it came out to be pretty fine. It comes up with this frill detailing. There is going to be chain here. I loved it, guys, and the fabric is even very good. It is made up of polyester. So I got myself in the size small. I'll make sure that I play the model picture so that you guys can go and see how it is gonna look, and you must give it a try because this is gonna be a statement piece. So black skirt is something you can style with so many things. Like you can go with a crop top, you can pair up maybe a white shirt with it or a full sleeves top with it. So yes, you have a very high ground to play on. You can even wear it at the beach. It is gonna look very, very sexy and beautiful. So yes, guys, these were all the things that I have gotten in today's video. All the links are gonna be in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. I will see you guys with another video really, really soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.